Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Illustrator to create a sun using the outer glow. First you need to go to the Windows button and open Illustrator by clicking it and then scrolling down the list of programs and choosing it from the list. Once it's open, go to File, New, and click Web. For the title, put Sun number 1 with your name or something similar. I'm going to make the width and the height both 720. And make sure that it says pixels, and then all of the other defaults, go ahead and leave them where they are. Click Create. Okay. Now I'm going to go over to the Shape Tools and click and hold, if necessary, and choose the Ellipse tool from the list. You could also choose L on the keyboard. Now I'm going to hold down Shift to constrain the ellipse to be a circle and draw out a nice large circle. Now over where the stroke and fill are, I'm going to press X on the keyboard to bring the stroke forward and set it to none. X again to bring the fill back, and set it to gradient. Now within the gradient panel, I'm going to choose the middle option, which is radial gradient. Now I'll change the colors. So you can choose whatever colors you like. I'm going to go ahead and make the center a nice yellow color, and make the outer part a orange color. And there are lots of different ways to change the color. So if you know a different way, go ahead. Then I'm going to move this little slider over here to give myself a little more yellow and less orange. Next thing that I'm going to do is go to Effect, Stylize, and choose Outer Glow. So I set the mode to screen, but you could play around with some of the other modes and see what happens. I have the opacity set at 100 and the blur set to 40. The smaller the number for the blur, the closer it is to the edges of the object. So right now at 40, it's kind of close to the sun, but if I set it to 80 and click the preview, you can see that it's a lot further away from the sun. So you choose whatever you think looks good. I'm going to go back to 40. The other thing that you could do is change the color of the glow. So right now it's kind of a golden yellow color. I could also change it. What happens if I change it to a red color? Let's see what that looks like. Click OK, and then we can see the preview. So I think I preferred the golden yellow a little bit more, but please do play around with the colors and experiment until you find something that you like. So be sure to click OK when you make all of your choices. And to see my project without all of these guidelines and bounding boxes around it, I'm going to go ahead and click the selection tool or V on the keyboard and then click off onto the side, and I can see what my object looks like by itself. Now let's save the project to Google Drive. First, go down to the bottom of the screen and click on the search icon. Type in Google Drive and then click to launch the app. I've already launched the app, so my computer is not really going to do anything. Your computer might show you a window where you have to choose your username. Next, I'm going to go to File, Save, Save on your computer. I'm going to click on my Google Drive, click on My Drive, and open. Now in my drive I have an animation folder, so I'll double click that, and I have lots of folders in here because I like to keep things organized. I'm going to save mine in Illustrator. And here is Suns. So here I have my file and named, and I will click Save. I'm going to leave the defaults as they are and click OK. And the last thing that I need to do is turn this in to get credit. That's it for this video. Have fun, everyone.